welcome to and welcome back to our channel Hodgepodge Study. Today in this video we're gonna learn some parts of peacock feather. You can see here we have placed a peacock feather and we have named its part. So we will learn one by one. Okay. First one, we will start from the down side. This point you can see here, ये सबसे नीचे वाला point, what we call it wide stem. Okay, this is called wide stem. This part, this tip part. Okay, now let's move to the second one. This loose knit bobs. Why they are called loose knit bobs? Because they are loosely arranged. You can see here there are spaces between them. Okay, and here you can see here is the closed part. They are closely arranged to each other, so we called it close knit bobs. Okay, here close knit bobs, this portion here, whole portion, this one. Okay, around the eye pattern, and here down is loose knit bobs. Now this point, this middle part, narrower part, you can see here it is most thin and here is narrow. Okay, and so this part is what we call it narrow brown stem. This middle part, narrow brown stem, from which all the feathers are attached. Means this string, you can see this thin like structure. Okay, attached from this middle part, and what we called it middle one, narrow brown stem. The most attractive part of this feather part, what is that? This central part, what we called it eye pattern. Most attractive and beautiful. You can see here it is very colorful and very bright, and we called it eye pattern because somehow it looks like a eye, human eye. You can see here is the middle part, here surrounding, just similar to the eye, human eye. Okay, that's why we called it eye pattern, this middle part. So guys, I hope all these parts of this feather is clear to you. That's it